Charging a battery without any charge controller or overcharge protection circuit can be harmful to your battery, or even it can permanently damage your battery. That's why I designed this charge controller having the features of battery charge level indicator and overcharge protection. Here is the schematic of our charge controller circuit, and as you can see, the schematic contains two circuits. The one with LM3914 IC is responsible to indicate the battery charge level, and the other is for overcharge protection. I converted this schematic into the PCB Gerber file and ordered my printed circuit boards online through the PCBWAY.com. They are the largest PCB manufacturer in China, with more than 21,000 plus daily orders and providing their services in 170 plus countries. They provide high quality PCB boards in a very reasonable price. To order your PCBs, just click on the Quote Now button, set your PCB parameters, or click on Quick Order, upload your Gerber file from here, and check out securely. Finally, in few days, I received my PCBs from the PCBWAY. Let me open the package and show you my new printed circuit boards. As you can see, the build quality is perfect and the PCB looks great in black and white theme. These are all the components that you will need to assemble this controller. Now I am going to solder all these components to the PCB according to our circuit diagram. Don't worry about the circuit diagram, PCB Gerber file and components list. You can find all of this in the video description. Here you can see how it looks like after soldering all the components. Now I am connecting the brain of this circuit, the LM3914 IC. But be careful about the correct direction of the IC in socket. Our controller circuit is now completed. For calibrating the controller, remove this junction from the circuit and set your power supply to 14 volt DC. Now connect 14 volt supply instead of charger to the controller. Then slowly rotate this variable resistor until the red LED turns on. For understanding the circuit, suppose this bulb is a battery. When we increase the voltage and the voltage just crossed to 14 volt, then the circuit cut off the supply to battery. As result, the bulb turns off. I set 14 volt because most of 12 volt lead acid batteries shows 14 volt as peak voltage when they become fully charged. You can set the voltage here according to your battery. Now reconnect the junction and connect 14 volt supply instead of battery to the controller. After that, you can easily calibrate the battery level indicators by using these two variable resistors. This function also works on the same principle. As you can see, it reads the 14 volts as 100% and 7 volts as 10%. For the real-time testing, I am using this 12 volt lead acid battery. To discharge the battery, here I am connecting a bulb as load to the battery. The battery is now almost discharged to 20%, so I am connecting the charger to the controller in order to test the overcharge protection system.